So I was home when he did the initial walkthrough, and he kind of went around as like brand new eyes. And then Daniel came home, we had some conversations about some tiny things that we could fix up. He didn't think there was anything major. He offered the details of the person that came in and styled it, but he gave me the option, did I want to do it myself or did I want to get some help?
When we first seen Trev, the market was, you'd say, low.
I think he was realistic at the beginning, like he didn't talk us up to a position where we were getting too excited. Like he was, I can confidently get this for the market at the moment, and then the market moved in our favour, I guess.
And he moved with the market.
And he moved with the market. Obviously somebody come in and do the professional photos, they did a drone, they did a video, and then we booked in the open house, and we only had one open house. 38 groups through, and I think 15 offers had sold on that day.
For over. It started off when we were first week in the Trev, because we talked about the market, 720 to 750, and then as the market moved, we went to 750 to 789. And then it sold for 811,500.
I think it alleviated the loan stress, and it's given us more money to do some renos over there that may have taken 5 years. I think we can now do them this year.
To put it simply, we're living in a 3-bedroom house with 1 bathroom. We're now going to live in a 4-bedroom house with 2 lounge rooms, 2 wet areas, and a pool. And our mortgage repayments are the same.
I know Trevor, but I think for me, he wasn't pushy.
Not just helpful, it felt like he actually did care about how it was all going, how we were selling it, more so than just money. Is that Trev's a very intelligent and smart real estate agent. And we personally took his advice on board, and we followed through with most of that. And because of that, we feel that that's why we got above our asking price, so we're very happy.
He knows his stuff, and if you listen to him, especially if you've never done this before, take it on board, then I think you're going to reap the benefits of it.
Trevor's the Michael Jordan of real estate.
You got us exactly or more than what we wanted. We're thrilled.
Yeah, so Trev, you exceeded expectations.
Yes.
And we're very happy, and I can't wait to have a celebration drink.
Or 2.